To work in Python and MySQL has to be installed. Now let me install Python. So it's Python 3.7. I open up Python 3.7 and you can find an option called add Python 3.7 to path. Click it and you can see there is a tick mark and start installing it. Once you install, you can find the setups will get completed as the same. You install the MySQL software. The version you can try from 5.0 and above, and try to install both the software, the Python as well as MySQL. Once you finish the setup, you can find setup was successful. Once the setup was successful, close the application. Click on start and you can find IDL of Python. Open a Python interactive mode and start typing import MySQL dot connector and hit enter, and it has to come to the next line. If does not comes to the next line, if you find an error like module not found or no module named as MySQL, it means that MySQL connector is missing. See, now to install MySQL.connector, click on start, open your command prompt. You can find I'm opened my command prompt and give the command like pip space install space MySQL dot connector. So make sure that Python is installed in your computer and MySQL is installed, and you should have an internet connectivity to download this MySQL connector. Once the connector is downloaded, so you can close, and now you can find whether it is working or not. Check in the interactive mode MySQL.connector. Now click on start and your Python IDL. You can find the interactive mode. Click on file, new file, where you have to type your program. So I have already typed. I'll just open my file, recent file. So I'll open my Python code. So import MySQL.connector. This is the library which we have downloaded. And to find whether it is connected or not, we use the following syntax. MyCon is our object here, and you can find MySQL.connector. It is the library, and we use a function called connector. With the help of connect function, we just connect Python and MySQL, and we use this for things like host is equal to localhost, user is equal to root, password. So host is equal to localhost, user is equal to root. You can check in your MySQL. So in a MySQL you can find, I'll just give my password as 123, and I'll just find what is the user and the host name. So to give it, select current underscore user and semicolon, and you can find here the username is root and the host name is localhost. This is how you can find your username and the localhost. And the next is your password. You have to type what is your password that you have given in the MySQL. So you can just give it as passwd, or you can give it as password, find which is working for you, and give your MySQL password. And also you should mention a database name. So you have to find from a MySQL. So once again you can open your MySQL and you can give a query show space databases and then semicolon. So once you give, you can find a lot of databases displays, and I use the database which is there in my MySQL. I just use test, or else you can create by yourself. I'm using this test, and I'm with the help of a if condition. I'm just checking whether the connection is established or not. So to check, I'm using a function called isConnected. So the object mycon dot isConnected. So when I check it, you can find I just give a statement called MySQL is connected. So once you give this codings, save your programs, So to run, give F5, or you can click run module, and you can run your program. You can find that MySQL is connected. This is how you have to connect your Python with your MySQL interface. So type the coding properly and check, and this is how you have to connect. Thank you.